I have only 6 hours left to submit this application. 8 hours. 8 hours just to make this speech working.
After that, my vocals were dead.
So hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today actually the thing is I'm building a project. So if you remember, we have already built a VS Code from scratch. I mean, using existing code OSs from Microsoft. We did some few additions. Now the thing is, tomorrow I have a project submission of this one. So in that I have to add 3 more features, which is like keystrokes, keystroke speech one, and another one is LLM inference directly just through voice. So many people know that we were able to compile and run the code OSs in a MacBook. So if you haven't watched the previous video, you can just check it out. It's just the same thing where we have I built that software, I mean created. Now what I am doing is I'm upgrading this software. I'll just show you in a bit. Okay, so I have only 6 hours left to submit this application and get marks. So this is my college project. So yeah, this was like later append of the project. So I have added this explain code, explain error, and need help button. So where then once we type, so this was another project. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 3 things. So the first thing is we are gonna add a keystroke tracer. So whenever we type a key, it speaks out. So this, okay, so I'll explain you the problem statement. Okay, I'll just zoom a little bit. So the problem statement is a coding tool or a coding assistant for a blind people, for visually impaired people. So yeah, that was the problem statement given to me from my college, and I already worked it, if I'm not wrong. So we are just focusing on for macOS. I just need to get this project done as soon as possible. So okay, so it already has done it. Let's see, toggle speaker on,
space, keystroke speaker enable,
and boom, it worked. I don't know whether it's so.
enter.
Yeah, it's working. You know last time how much time it took me to build? 8 hours. 8 hours just to make this speech working. But now it's working well and good because the base. Last time that part 1 was completely clustered, but this one was working. So like for example,
V O I D.
okay, these are bugs, we don't need to worry about this. So yep, now what I'm gonna do is just fix this commit, because come on, I need to maintain all my commits. Okay, so now this last and final part, so which is we give a voice input and it explains or it debugs the code and it will give you the output. So here we are not going to use keyboard to tell him explain. Like for an example, I've just seen the buttons, 3 buttons, call faculty and all these things. So it will explain the code, or it will explain the errors and debug the code, and we'll get the final output as audio which they can hear. So this is completely for blind people, so they are gonna use. So yeah, I'll just go and sleep and wake up in the morning and I'll just work.
Update guys, after I didn't wake up and now this is where I am. I have already launched it since there is no network here. I'm struggling with network. See, error while connecting. So there is no actual network available here. That's the thing. And the whole place is crowded. So I'm trying to connect. and it isn't. My audio might be low because too much background noise. So out of 3 things, 2 things are working. So we have Genesis loaded up. People who don't know about Genesis, I'll explain it in a new video. So for now I can't run my brain is dead. Body working, brain dead. Nabi? So just finished presentation. I have pitched around 4 people. So 3 was jury and 1 was director. I know the brightness and noise. I don't know. I can't do anything. The video quality sucks here because there is no proper lighting. So yeah. And still 1 more jury is left to go. She was literally stalking me since that time.
Yep. I'm bored. Sorry. I'm bored, guys. I'm feeling hungry. हम लोग सुबह 9:40 9:40 से है अभी. टाइम क्या हो रहा? That's 1:27. Aren't you feeling hungry?
No. I got used to this.
Yeah, I get it. I'm feeling very much hungry. Now we can go, I guess.
One more jury is there now. Why? They're not even letting us turn on fans.
Yeah. I'll die now, guys. Please subscribe his channel. Follow him on Instagram.
No, don't follow me on Instagram. It's personal.
You have a public account, come on. Okay, follow him. Subscribe him. He's my good friend. He's very talented.
No.
Yes, he is.
My audience know about me.
I'm your friend.
They are also my audience. Viewers. Literally. You know what I was doing when I was bored? I was reading this book. Well, large language model. Dedication, guys. Dedication. Okay. So we just finished. I know these angles are pretty good. Trying after. I don't know how I'm getting all these things, but yeah. So literally I had presentation with 4 people. Dean. 3 juries and 1 director. And after that my vocals were dead. I was not able to speak. So yeah, that's all, I guess. So now I'll just sit and edit video here, because I still got around 40 minutes till the bus starts and 37% on Mac. So yeah, I have a quick time lapse of me editing.